Member for Nelson Creston.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. So when someone has a paying job, they pay into employment insurance for times of illness, job loss, or when they need to have a child. Jessica Alford worked in retail earning $800 a month, as her husband and her are allowed to do when they are on disability. A year ago, Jessica had to leave work for an early maternity leave due to complications with her pregnancy. She then applied for her EI. Then she saw this government claw back her maternity leave each month, dollar for dollar. That $500, Madam Speaker, would help pay the bills and put food on the table. But instead, it's helping to pay the tax break by this Liberal government to the richest 2% in British Columbia. Jessica, who's here today, wants to know why her family isn't first for this Premier.
Mr. Social Development.
Well, thank you, Madam Speaker, and I'd like to say on this side of the House, we truly believe in the people of British Columbia being able to find their independence and find their passion in what they want to do with their future and empowering them. We do that by wrapping supports around them with our comprehensive social safety net. We provide multiple programs and services. Just recently, we have increased the earning exemptions for people with disabilities to annualized earning exemptions. We have helped single parents with the Single Parent Family Initiative. There are multiple ways that we are providing for the families in British Columbia to make life better for them in the future.
Member for Nelson Creston on a supplemental.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Wow, once again, we see members opposite just completely miss the point and totally try to sidestep the issue at hand here. Jessica, like Katie, who we talked about last week, has a job. That's the point. She also has a right to collect employment insurance for maternity leave when she needs to take time off work to have a child. But this government, instead of recognizing her right, penalizes her for taking that time off work to have a baby. It's absolutely ridiculous, Madam Speaker. Jessica and her husband, Tony, were already struggling to put food on the table for their 2 children, but we're excited to be welcoming baby Morgana into the world all the same. Jessica thought that she could rely on her maternity leave benefits to help pay the bills and the new expenses that come with a new baby. Instead, every month, this government takes her maternity leave away. The stress and the bills are mounting, and it's harder to feed her kids. And Madam Speaker, just like every other parent I talk to about this issue, Jessica and her husband Tony don't even think about what it takes to feed themselves. They are struggling so much. Clawing back maternity leave is wrong. When is the Premier going to stop doing it?
Minister of Social Development.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and thank you to the member opposite for the question. What I can tell her is that on this side of the House, we are working towards making life better for families. We are doing that by providing multiple different supports around from various ministries, not just mine. For instance, we provide subsidized housing supports. We've invested $4 billion since 2001 to provide affordable housing for low-income families. Not only that, Madam Speaker, we provide MSP subsidies for nearly 1 million British Columbians who receive the subsidies, including more than 800,000 residents who cannot pay the MS premiums at all. We provide childcare subsidies, free dental and optical for children and families. There are so many programs that we provide to ensure that we are supporting the families that need it most when it is required. We are Madam Speaker, there are also so many tax programs, systems in place for people who are raising families. There are the single parents who have access to about $390 per month in benefits that are provided through the income tax system. There's the BC Early Childhood Tax Benefit Program. Multiple ways that we are ensuring that we are making life better for British Columbians.
Yeah.